Hi, it's Kerry. I've got lots of interesting snakes and plenty of fun facts for you today. This is my new Eastern Diamondback rattlesnake. This green anaconda's playing hard to get. Can you tell me how many cobras in today's video? Is it 2 or 3? The green snake. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. The Eastern Diamondback rattlesnake is a species of venomous pit viper in the family Viperidae. The species is endemic to the southeastern United States. It is the heaviest, though not the longest, venomous snake in the Americas and the largest rattlesnake. Green anaconda. The diameter of their body can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters. The chain kingsnake is a harmless color-bred species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. It's been a very warm day today and all the snakes have been basking in the sun. The albino Burmese python. What a beautiful looking snake. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. The Cobra Hatchling. This is a great model. You can see a split in the egg where it's just starting to hatch out of the egg. The yellow ball python is a non-venomous constrictor. This is the smallest of the African pythons and is popular as a pet. The green anaconda is a member of the Boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. Let's do some more hunting. The boa constrictors are one of the largest snakes in the world, along with the reticulated python and anaconda. They are non-poisonous, but just as deadly. And here's another boa. They ambush their prey, which means they will hide and wait for something tasty to go by and then attack. This is a white cobra. They would have trouble because they don't have any camouflage. It would expose them to predators and enemies and make it hard for them to ambush prey. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. Anaconda hunts on land and in the water, but prefers water where it can move with ease. It can stay under the water for 10 minutes before it comes to the surface to breathe. The Sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper. It is called a sidewinder because it uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. Boa constrictors have small hooked teeth that they use to grab and hold prey. If their teeth fall out or become damaged, they can regrow them. The black mamba is one of the world's deadliest snakes. Black mamba is the fastest and second longest land snake in the world. Rattlesnake. They are best known for and most easily recognized by their rattle. The brown snake is a venomous Australian snake. The corn snake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. They are popular as pet snakes. The cobra, when threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. I love all the bright colours from the reptile world. Subscribe and like if you like reptiles. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is released. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.